Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this session, I will give you a tutorial about uh, how to convert Archicad file to Pathfinder. Uh, the reason why I give you this tutorial is because when you actually could make a model directly in the Pathfinder, but since all of you are completely new to Pathfinder and you may find a difficulties on there and takes longer, I suggest you to keep using Archicad as a media to make your building model, and then after that you may directly export it and import it to Pathfinder. So uh, actually, we have to go to the 3D models tab, and if we want to directly import it, just click the file and save as. And after that, you may choose IFC file. But before we go like this, I suggest you again to reduce all of the items that might create any heaviness when you import it into Pathfinder, since there's a lot of object in here, and it will be useless if we directly import it to Pathfinder, and it makes a longer of your simulation. So I prefer you to reduce by hiding it, hiding the object that already in here. To hide it, just directly click that have a probability. How we say it, like there's a bunch of it in a same layer, such as this one is a MEP one, and we know that this one is a group into MEP ventilation layer, and we just hide it like this, and all of the object that have a similar layer will be hidden, and also this one, of course, we may not use it. Oh, sorry. For the environment rate, you may just hide it because you will not use it except you want to simulate the whole complex. But I don't think so. So you will do that. So just keep hide it. This and this MEP object is useless, so I prefer you to hide this part. And also architectural elements. I mean, everything that only functionally as accessories of your building, and some of structural such as beam, except when there is columns on there. I uh, I suggest you to keep it because as the notes, object that might be an obstacle of your simulation, such as the furniture. You have to keep it so you will really simulating the real cases, because when it comes to flow simulation, there are several things such as obstacle and speed of the occupant to escape from the building. So you just keep it inside. So if you're already sure that all of this is enough to keep, or all of the object is uh, already in the minimalist way, uh, you may have as like what I did before. But oh yeah, for your information, all of the furniture that classified as door will be automatically read as a door. So don't worry about that, because some of you might be have a worried about the door will be converted as obstacle, so the occupant inside of it will be cannot escaping the building because of there are no doors in there. And then after you complete this one, save as the your your models, and make sure that you choose the visible elements, since we only want to keep all of the visible elements. Maybe there's no. Okay. Sorry, we have to wait a moment. Oh yeah, after we could also filtering it from the filter one, like the furnishing element, footing, and etc. Actually, the important things in the Pathfinder is the base, which the what we call slab. If we are talking about the second floor, third floor, like that, and the base. So the facade is actually not really important on there, because if the facade will be not read as something, I mean, either there is a facade or no, there will be useless on your project. Yeah, after this one, to save it. Just general export. You may wait for the export process until 100%. Oh yeah, after the export you may import, but I'm so sorry because I couldn't give you a direct tutorial in here. Uh, so I might use Mas Raihan as Mas Raihan videos to give you how it looks like when it comes to importing the IFC one. IFC file, I mean. Yeah, after we enter the Pathfinder, We may click File and open the file. The import, I'm so sorry. And then choose the file that you want to import. Keep the setting like this. And click Next. I prefer you to use as defined in the file. Or now after you import the file, you may see your models inside the project. And the object will be divided in each pieces like what we see before. And in the part of the curtain wall, you may choose a single glass and a lot of glass in here, and you may hide it since you're not using it. By uncheck the visible part of here. So since I don't have any permission of using this video, I might I might give you uh, another tutorial directly from official Pathfinder YouTube channel. And if you have any inquiries or questions, you may ask me directly through WhatsApp or group chat. Thank you for listening my tutorials, and I hope you could uh, do your own simulation. And for some of you that using Pathfinder as your uh, research materials, you may I hope you may easily use that without any problems. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.